You've seen a few of these compensation negotiations firsthand. Give us a sense. What do you think of this judge's ruling?
She's not wrong. It is hard to worry about Elon Musk when he is still the third richest person in the world. The reality is that was a massive pay package. It wasn't something that was needed to retain him. And it was something that he's even admitted that he really negotiated against himself with. He's the one who came up with those terms. It is hard to justify that. We don't get to decide exactly how much we want to get paid, have it be one of the most historic, biggest pay packages in the world, and think that nobody's going to have a problem with that.
All right, so I do have to ask you, I want to, while we're showing right now some of the comments from the judge's decision, unfathomable sum, deeply flawed, historically unprecedented, unfair price. Those are her comments from the decision. I want to come back over to you. Playing devil's advocate, what is this company without Elon Musk? He's been the driving force for so much. So I know he's not the founder, but he's been the CEO for a long time. I mean, without him, is this company worth what it's worth? And then aren't you only what you bring to the table? Isn't there some argument that he's worth that $55 billion?
No one's saying that Elon Musk shouldn't get paid for his work. Everybody should get paid for their work. And certainly his cult of personality has been a huge part of driving that stock price and driving adoption of EVs. And I say that as somebody who's not the biggest fan of Tesla for EVs long term. That being said, this is a pay package that is so far beyond the scope of this. This wasn't about retention. He wasn't trying to leave. He didn't have a better offer anywhere. He just wanted more money. And so he asked his friends on the board, including his divorce attorney, for more money, and they said yes. And then one of the shareholders said that's not how it works in public companies, because you have fiduciary responsibilities beyond to your buddies and your brother on the board.
All right, so I want to ask you about this, the board going forward. Is it possible we could see some changes on the board? And just for clarity, I don't think Elon Musk is the only CEO with a lot of rubber stamps on the board. He certainly isn't an outlier when it comes to that. But after this decision, do you expect to see some changes to Tesla's board?
I think that people who have the same last name and who grew up with him might get a harder look. Certainly, it's hard to say, hey, no, my board's completely impartial when one of them is your younger brother. This has been a year of board governance being top of mind, or I guess over the last 12, 15 months. We saw that with SBF. We saw that with Sam Altman in the OpenAI debacle right before Thanksgiving. These boards of formerly privately held startups are really having to grow up in real time because a lot of them, to your point, have been rubber stamping anything in front of them, and that is not working anymore.